Today, we're making an awesome reflected neon logo in Photoshop. So stick around till the end because this design is going to take your skills to the next level. All right, first things first. Grab that text tool and type D and C in separate layers. We're using the classic Times New Roman font for a sleek and timeless look. Make sure each letter has its own space because we're going to rasterize them. Now right-click each layer and boom, rasterize those layers. Feels good, right? Next, let's bring the C closer to D. Watch this closely as we're about to pull off some magic. Hold down that Control key and click on the D layer to make a selection around it. Easy, right? Now comes the fun part. Head over to Select, then Modify, and choose Expand. Set the value to 15 pixels, just the right amount to give us room to work our magic. Hit OK. With the selection still active, select the C layer and grab the eraser tool. We're about to transform this C. Start erasing parts of it like this, to make the two letters flow together. Look at that transition. It's coming together beautifully. Now it's time to add your main text. This is where you can get creative with the font. I've linked a super cool font in the description, so be sure to grab it. Your design is about to go from good to epic with this font choice. Next up, the ellipse tool. Hold down that Shift key and draw a perfect circle around your main text and DC. Gorgeous, right? Let's give it a little extra thickness to make it pop, then adjust its position around your text and logo until it's just right. Now here comes a neat little trick. Pick the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection around the main text. Yep, we're setting up for something cool. With the eraser tool ready to go, select the ellipse layer and erase parts of it like this to give it a unique, almost futuristic look. Oh yeah, this is looking amazing. All right, we're almost there. Hide the background layer and select all your layers. Press Ctrl+E to merge them together. Now it's time to show off our neon logo with a mock-up. I've linked a great mock-up in the description. Go ahead, download it, and follow along. Once you have it, double-click the mock-up layer to open it in a new window. Drag and drop your shiny new logo into place. And hide the previous layer. Close the window, hit Save. And just like that. And there you have it, folks. A glowing, vibrant neon logo that's going to make your design portfolio shine brighter than ever. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And be sure to check out the links in the description for all the resources I used in this video. See you in the next one.